indeed, yes indeed, know you. Welcome to the live. Like, subscribe if you want, or am I just bullshitting and not being of the truth? We joke around here. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's right. They promised a puppet show. All right. Doggy, doggy, doggy. If you become a subscriber, you'll get rights in Ken TV's Discord to kick people out if you don't like them at all. You can be like, no, you get the hell out of here. Yeah, that's right. Doggy, doggy, doggy. It might be a good perk for you. Yeah, that's right, doggy, doggy, doggy. No, you. Yeah, that's right. And Ken TV can even do personal puppet shows for you only if you want. That other puppet is not just bullshitting and not being of the truth. It could actually really happen. Yeah, that's right. No, you. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Extra videos Ken TV does not joke about. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. All for you if you become a subscriber at the highest level. Other levels, maybe once in a while, Ken TV will give you a personal video. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. You join Ken TV's Discord, and you'll see videos from YouTube that never were on. We're never shorts, longer videos that were never on TikTok. Yeah, that's right. All right. Let's see. Vince Neil. Nick Mars. And Jimmerdale walking to bar. The minute Vince Neil and Mick Mars get in the bar, they start having a fist fight like, hey, you kicked me off the band. No, you left the band. No, you. Then they're like, hold on, you're Jimmerdale, that pedophile, right? We don't serve those kind of people here. Get the fuck out, you creep. You're like, I'm an Asian guy. They're like, we don't care if you're an Asian guy.